Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, corn seeds. Let's do it. All right, so today we're going to be using an earthway seeder to put in a couple of rows of Serendipity hybrid. We got these from True Leaf Market out of Utah. These are a triple sweet and with a 98% germ rate. The company used to be called Mountain Valley Seed. I've bought from them for years, and now they're called True Leaf Market. All right, so let's get the seeder set up, get it loaded with seeds, and get a couple of these rows in. So Jen is going to go ahead and start seeding. The seeder is set up, and you should be able to see the seeds drop through there. There they go. All right, I have it set at 1 inch. I can hear them dropping. All right. Well, there was 160 feet of corn in what, 5 minutes? Not even?
Not even. And that was like 200 feet corn, wasn't it?
Well, they're 80 footers now.
Yeah, gotta be able to turn around.
Yep. All right, folks. It's getting kind of late in the day. We'll go ahead and get some water on this. We'll put the next 2 rows in a couple of days. And we'll see you then. Well, folks, it's actually the next week here, and we're getting ready to put in the last 2 rows. Well, not the last 2 rows, the next 2 rows, excuse me. We're going to do that tonight. But you can see our little corns are starting to come up. And I think that'll be it for this video. We'll see you next time.